the spoilers here. You get a knife to open this shit. I tried to look for an actual authentic spoiler, but I couldn't find any, so I got this one. It has like a little carbon fiber strip. That's the spoiler. That's everything. Look at the carbon fiber. That's pretty nice. Hell yeah. I wanted a new wing because I was gonna, since I have the new hatch that's all painted, I wanted to paint this before driving the car. I'm gonna paint this, the side skirts, the rear lip, and something else. I'm gonna get it professionally painted since the whole hatch is painted already, you know? Might as well. Let me taste it out because it's annoying. Ooh, sheesh. So, I was gonna buy everything real since I have the Type R front end now. I was gonna buy a real wing, but the amount they wanted this wing for was spoiler. They wanted like, I think like 500, 400 bucks. I was like tripping, it was all beat up. So, I bought this shit. This is the part that bolts up on the back of the hatch. Ooh, shit got static, baby. Don't break that, be mad. It's the other way around.
I'm about to say that shit's definitely backward.
Break that. And this bad boy sits on top, Kevin. Woo! Say he looks pretty, Kevin. Kevin.
Don't go away, tell me. Yikes.
Look at that.
It's gonna fly away.
It's not even that big compared to the other one.
You gotta put the middle like this. You gotta put the middle like this, right? In the middle?
Yeah. Dude, come over here. Bring that shit. You gotta see from the side, Pop.
Like that's good.
Look from the side. Look at that. Beautiful, right? Huh? Huh? Look at the bench, yo.
I just died. That's just throwing me off.
This?
Yeah.
Don't worry, when it colors it, when it's colored, you know, painted, that's too solid. Do you not understand, bro, this lifestyle that we pick? Oh shit, it's pretty smooth. Kevin, you ready for this fucking chorus, bro?
You make no sense in what the hell you're saying.
Oh, that's just some Japanese lettering. That's Japanese.
Yeah, foils.
Yeah, the same as that one.
Oh, lightweight, huh?
Same as that color and everything. Woo-hoo.
Yeah. The top matches the engine bay too.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. And it has the dampening adjustments too. Hey, you gotta get new coilers. You got a good paint job, right? Look at that. Cuánto está ahí bien, papi. I mean, catches and fall? Yeah. Go.
I got some of the dilated. And in less than an hour, she went to 8. Then, 31 minutes, the big head was not 8. Put the screws on.
Oh my goodness.
I mean,
They're on.
What, her?
that. With the hoses. Okay, bitch. Boom. Also bought some supposedly genuine Type R fucking emblems. Supposedly, you know. The filters right here for the intake. Black. The other emblem. And a whole bunch of hardware for the is the antenna delete. I think it's called antenna delete. It's just carbon fiber. I already put all the parts on the Civic, already all painted and shit, and I'll show you a video of that. But I'm gonna put this so it could match the spoiler that I put with it.
Parts, but you don't have a race car. What?
What the pussies?
The box literally says don't install unless you have race car.
That's what it says?
You don't have race car.
Yeah.
All painted. The carbon fiber.
Yo, your thing, what's it good? Say it on there, it's okay.
Side skirts painted. The wing painted. Well, the spoiler with the carbon fiber. The eBay lip didn't come out bad. He said he had to do it like 2 times because it started bubbling or some bullshit. And the license plate cover thing, whatever it's just called, painted. Ooh. Sexy. Ooh. Oh, shut up. You still on the grill too bad out there.
Yo, why did Monica send me a thing of
Beautiful. This is my old one. Look at that shit. Disgusting. Yeah. That's before. Same shit. It just looks nice. Hoses. There it is. Yeah, I'll put the emblems after this. Installed. About to just plug in the little hoses from there, or just top them off. We'll see what I'm gonna do. Let me clean the area before I, put the emblem on. I haven't put it on with the double-sided tape, but that's how it's gonna look. It's pretty nice. I know the back one doesn't fit that good, but I'm gonna have to do some modifications. I'm about to peel off the 3M right now. Whatever this should do. Booski. Let me apply and I'll show you. This shouldn't fly out because, let me see, it's pretty flush with it. Let some heat hit it, it should be good. Let me peel this off. Oh my goodness, oh shit. Not bad. Look at this chihuahua. It looks way better now. Let me do the back one. Wait, no, man. This one didn't fit as good as the front one, but let me see. Looks good, look good. Vacuumed. I'm about to put the things right on real quick. It's right there. I can stand it up real quick. Execute beautifully. That's good enough, fuck it. For some fake ones, they fit pretty good. Shit says Japanese. Ike. Wow. Let me put the other ones on, I'll show you guys. The rears don't fit the greatest, but it fits. Like it's all like crumbled up over here, but who's really gonna come back here that much, to be honest? So yeah, it fits, but like you can see, look, it's not bad for like 60 bucks, so it's whatever. I'm gonna put the other side on. It looks a lot cleaner with these things on. What the fuck? Look at that shit. Beautiful. The back is not bad. It's alright. It's worth 60 bucks. Or was it 50? I don't know. I'll put in the description the link down there. Not bad. Beautiful color. Back of the car. Man, I can't see the rims over here. Hold up. It's black as fuck.
Yeah, get the tires. I told him, look at the degree check. You're gonna go in there.
Man, shit look like Steelies on here, bro. Hold up.
Them shits are fucking dirty.
Watch out on me. Hold up.
I can't even clean those shit.
Shit look beef. Damn, shit do look ashy as hell. Don't look at the back.
Yo, we gotta put the tires.
Wow.
You told me you got a week because they're leaving to that thing.
I think it looks badass.
We're gonna do that next weekend, yeah.
Dude,
27 they're leaving.
Yeah, I
You got a
can
week
picture the
to leave
white
my
lettering
shit
and all that shit on it.
Leave my shit
So I'm
fixed
gonna
first.
Yeah, with the seeing the white shit on it, you can picture the white lettering on it. It'll make the pot too.
Don't do it now.